So mu is e to the power 4x. To the power 4x. So here we can use the formula, okay? If you can remember the formula, you can use the formula. So the formula actually is y equal to 1 over u. The antiderivative of mu qx, yeah, dx. This is the formula, yeah? If you can remember the formula, you can use the formula directly, okay? So here the mu is e4x power. So here is 1 over e4x power. The first times the antiderivative of e4x power times qx. Qx is e minus 3x power. E minus 3x power dx. So 4x minus 3x power, so here is what? Here is the 1 over e4x power, the antiderivative of ex, yeah? So the antiderivative of ex is what? Is ex plus c, yeah? So the result is 1 over e4x power, ex plus c, okay? So this is the answer, okay? Of course, you can write it here, 1 over e4x power, e minus 4x power. So here is e minus 4x power times ex plus c. Okay? So the result, you can see e4x power times ex. So the first term is e minus 3x power. The second is plus c times e minus 4x power. So this is the answer, okay? So how many students get the right answer? Hands up. Oh, yeah. Okay. So now for the second one, okay? For the second one here. For the second one, the same. Here px is what? Px actually is 2x, yeah? And qx is what? Qx is x, yeah? Qx is x. So here first we compute the inequality factors mu. Mu equal to e to the power the antiderivative of px dx. So here is e the antiderivative of 2x dx. So the antiderivative of 2x is what? Is x squared, yeah? So here is e to the power x squared. So this is mu, okay? Of course, here you can use the formula, okay? And if you cannot remember the formula, you just remember the step, okay? The step. So here we times mu on both sides, okay? On both sides. So here we have ex squared dy dx plus here 2x times ex squared power times y equal to ex squared times x. Yeah? So now we can see this term, okay? This term 2x times ex squared power actually is what? Actually is ex squared power prime, yeah? So here actually is ex squared power dy dx, the first term, plus 2x ex squared power actually is d ex squared power dx, yeah? 2x ex squared. 2x ex squared actually is the derivative of ex squared power. So y equal to what? Ex squared times x. So now we can see the left hand side, okay? The left hand side actually is what? Is d ex squared power times y, yeah? Equal to x times ex squared power. So we obtain this formula, okay? We obtain this equation. So we find the antiderivative on both sides. So here we have ex squared y equal to the antiderivative of x ex squared dx. Yeah? So now for this one, okay, here, how to find the antiderivative of x ex squared power? We use the u substitution. Yeah? We let u equal to what? We let u equal to x squared. Yeah? We let u equal to x squared. So du dx equal to what? Equal to 2x. So here means what? Here means du equal to 2x dx, or what? Or dx equal to 1 by 2x du. Yeah? So here we have this equal to x times e to the power u dx equal to 1 by 2x du. So here is x, here x cancel, okay? So here is the half, the antiderivative of e to the power u du. So the antiderivative of e to the power u is what? Is e is half e to the power u plus a constant c. Yeah? So we replace u by what? By x squared. So the result is 1 is half ex squared plus a constant c. Okay? Plus a constant c. So from here we divided ex squared power on both sides. Okay? So here we have y equal to half. Here is ex squared power plus a constant c divided ex squared power. Okay? So from here we can see ex squared power divided ex squared power actually is 1. So the result actually is half. Here is 1 plus c times ex squared power c divided. Okay? So the result is here, or you can divide it by half 1 plus ce minus x squared power. So this is the answer.
Lord, e to the power x square derivative is 2 e to the power x square.
So 2x ex squared actually is the derivative of ex squared.
Here, so where is x?
X is here because ex squared derivative actually is ex squared times x squared derivative. So it actually is 2x ex squared.
Yes.
So this is the answer. How many students get the answer? So just need time. So this is the first kind of the first order differential equation. Okay. Next we will introduce the second kind of first order differential equation. The second kind, okay. The second kind actually is easy. It's easy for the first kind, okay? It's easy than the first kind. The second kind, so now, the second kind actually is means the first order. The first order separable, okay? So the separable equations. The first order separable, okay? Separable equations. So separable equation actually is in this form, okay? Here, h is a function of y. H is a function of y. Hy times dy dx. Times dy dx equal to what? Equal to gx. So it's in this form, okay? It's in this form. Hy times dy dx equal to gx. This is the second order. This is the first order separable equations, okay? For this actually we can times dx on both sides, okay? we can times dx on both sides. So here we have hy dy equal to gx dx. So from here, we times dx on both sides. Okay, we times dx on both sides. So here we have hy dy equal to gx dx. For this one, for this equation, okay, for this equation, we have that the expression involve, okay, involving x appear on one side, okay, on one side. So the expressions involve x appear on one side, okay, and those involving y, okay, those involving y appear on the other side, okay, on the other side. So this is the factor, okay, this is the factor of the separable equations. Means here the equations or the expressions involving x is on the right hand side, and the expressions involving y, okay, involving y is appear on the other side, okay, on the other side. So for this one, how to find the solution? How to find the solution? We just need to integrate on both sides, okay, on both sides. So here actually is the antiderivative of hy dy equal to the antiderivative of gx dx. So this is the answer, okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer, okay. So you just need to find the antiderivative of h and find the antiderivative of g. It's okay. So I think that here is easy, okay, here is easy. This one is easy. So now, actually we can see pages 412, okay, 412. So here we can see page 412 in the middle, okay, in the middle, separation of variables, okay. So we have 3 steps. The first step is the same, okay. Write the equation in the definition form. Hy dy equal to gx dx. So the second is the first step, okay. Write the equation hy dy equal to gx dx. The second step is integrating both sides of the equation in step 1, okay. So the antiderivative of hy equal to the antiderivative of gx. This is the second step, okay. The third step is if capital Hy is any antiderivative of hy and capital Gx is any derivative of gx, then the equation is capital Hy equal to capital Gx plus c, okay, plus c. So here I give an example. So here's example. So the first order initial value problem. dy dx equal to minus 4xy squared. The second is y0 equal to 1. Okay, y0 equal to 1. So solve the initial problem, initial value problem. So dy dx equal to minus 4xy squared. So here for the first, here now we can see dy dx equal to minus 4xy squared, okay, y squared. So here, first we should write y on one side, or x on the other side, okay. So here we have this, the left hand side we have x, yeah. So we times dx on both sides. So we times dx on both sides. So here is dy equal to minus 4xy squared dx. Okay? And now we can see the right hand side. Okay? The right hand side we have y squared here. So we need to divide the y squared on both sides. Okay? We divided the y squared on both sides. So here we have 1 by y squared dy. We divided the y squared on both sides. Okay, so 1 by y squared dy equal to minus 4x dx. So now here you can see the left hand side we just have y. Okay, the right hand side we just have x. So here we integrating on both sides. Okay. So here we integrating on both sides. So here is 1 by y squared dy. The antiderivative of 1 by y squared equal to the antiderivative of minus 4x dx. Yeah? So here is 1 by y squared. 1 by y squared actually is y minus 2 power. Yeah? So here actually is the antiderivative of y minus 2 power dy equal to the antiderivative of minus 4x dx. So here the first one, the antiderivative of y minus 2 power is what? Is y minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 power. Yeah? Here should be plus a constant c, yeah? Plus a constant c1. And now the second here, minus 4x antiderivative is what? It's minus 4x 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, yeah? Plus another constant c2, yeah? But actually here we divide, actually here is c1, here is c2. Here is so we minus c1, so here is c2 minus c1. So we divide it, so we divide it by c, okay? So actually here, for this antiderivative, we just need to, let c equal to 0, and this that equal to c, okay? So here, so the result actually is y minus 1 power. So here is y minus 1 power by minus 1 power equal to minus 4. Here is x squared by 2 plus a constant c. So here we can see here is minus 1. So here minus 1 actually is minus y minus 1 power equal to 4, 2 cancel. Okay, so here is minus 2x squared plus a constant c. So now so we times minus 1 on both sides, okay? So here is y minus 1 power is 2x squared minus c. So y minus 1 power actually is 1 by y, okay? So 1 by y equal to 2x squared minus c. So y equal to what? So y equal to 1 by 2x squared minus c, yeah? So now we can see where x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Where x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So here we have 1 equal to 1 by 2 times 0 squared and minus c, yeah? So here is actually is 1 by 0 minus c, so minus c. So c equal to what? 1 equal to 1 by minus c, so c equal to what? So c actually equal to what? C equal to minus 1, yeah? So the result actually is we replace with substituting c equal to minus 1 here. So the result actually is y equal to 1 by 2x squared plus 1. Yeah? So I think that this is easy. Yeah? So for the separable equation actually is easy than the first kind. Okay, than the first kind of linear equation. Okay. So now this is the first example. So can you understand here? Can you understand? Yes. Now for the second, okay. For second here, 4y minus cosine y dy dx minus 3x squared equal to 0. And when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Okay. So for this one actually here is the same. Okay. We first write it in the separable form. Okay, the separable form. So here 4y minus cosine y, here is dy dx, minus x squared equal to 0, or minus 3x squared equal to 0. So here we can divide it by 4y minus cosine y dy dx equal to what? Equal to 3x squared, yeah? Here, we plus 3x squared on both sides. So here we open this, yeah? And now, we times dx on both sides. We times dx on both sides, so here we have what? So here we have 4y minus cosine y dy equal to 3x squared dx, yeah? Here, from here we times dx on both sides. So we open it here. So we can see on the left hand side we just have y. On the right hand side we just have x. So we integrating on both sides. Okay, integrating on both sides. So here we have the antiderivative of 4y minus cosine y dy. Yeah. Equal to the antiderivative of 3x squared dx. Yeah? So first here, 4y antiderivative is what? 2y squared, yeah? So here is 2y squared. And cosine y antiderivative sin y, yeah? So here minus sin y equal to 3x squared antiderivative
3x cubed over 3.
So x cubed, yeah? So x cubed plus a constant c, yeah? So here this is the general function, okay? The general solution. So here now you can see when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So we use this condition. We use this initial condition to determine c, okay? So here we let when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So here we have 2 times 0 square minus sin 0 equal to 0 cube plus c, okay? So 2 times 0 square is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0 cube, 0. So 0 equal to 0 plus c. So c equal to what? So c equal to 0, yeah? So c equal to 0, so here is the answer actually is 2y squared minus sin y equal to x cubed, okay? So this is the answer, okay? So I think that for the separable equation actually is very easy, okay? The key point is you should write x on one side, write y on the other side, okay? So this is the key point, okay? This is the key point. So now, do the exercise. So I give you 4 exercises, okay? First is dy dx equal to y by x. The second is dy dx equal to 2y plus y squared times x. The second, okay? So the third is the square root 1 plus x squared by 1 plus y dy dx equal to minus x. So this is the third, okay? So the fourth is 1 plus x to the fourth power, 1 plus x to the fourth power dy dx equal to x cubed by 1, okay, x cubed by 1. So now do it. Do this 4, okay? Do this 4.
So this formula, right?
Yeah.
This formula?
No, so these 4 equations, okay?
Why? But the left side on C, right?
C1, C2.
Why?
Here,
Okay, why is it
so
so?
C1, C2, actually it's C2 minus C1, actually that's C.
And then I'm like, what is supposed to be?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
How you inspired this by?
This one. square on both sides, okay?
You're not multiplying the 2 by the 1. Why? You're saying you're not multiplying the 2 by the 1. Yeah. So you just divide directly. Why can't you say? Let's see what it says. I can't even see now. I can do that.
So what's your answer?
No, I'm still finding. The
With
second
the first one, here's the second one.
This is the second one.
Yeah.
Yes. How she? I said that you divide it.
Yeah. What? Yeah, yeah. After tangent y equal to x squared plus 6.
So yeah, you find the one inside and the one outside.
So for this one,
It's x squared. If we come back to the same side, it's what? But they only managed to update 23 students' results. So then,
now for the first one, okay? For the first one, I think it's easy. So you dy dx equal to y by x. So the key point is you should write x on one side, y on the other side, okay? So here we have the first one, dy dx equal to y by x. So the left hand side we have a, we have x here. So we times dx on both sides, yeah? So here we times dx on both sides. So here is dy equal to y by x dx, yeah? And now, on the right hand side, we have y here. We have y here, so how to deal with it? We divided y on both sides, yeah? We divided y on both sides, so here we have 1 by y dy equal to 1 by x dx, yeah? So now, from here we can see the left hand side we just have y. The right hand side we just have x. So here we find the antiderivative on both sides. 1 by y dy equal to 1 by x dx. Yeah?
Yes.
So the antiderivative of 1 by y is what? It's ln absolute mu y. Yeah? And the antiderivative of x is what? Is ln absolute mu x. Yeah?
Plus C.
Plus the constant c, yeah? Actually here should be plus a c1, here should be plus a c2, okay? But we can see here c1, here c2. So here we minus c1 on both sides. So here actually is ln absolute mu y equal to ln absolute mu x plus c2 minus c1. C2 minus C1 we denote it by C, okay? So the result actually is ln absolute mu y equal to absolute mu x plus the constant C, okay?
Yes.
So this is the result, okay?
You leave it like that.
So this is the first one. So for the second one, okay? For the second one here, dy dx. So dy dx equal to 2 1 plus y square x. So here, the left hand side we have x here. So we times dx on both sides. So dy equal to what? 2 1 plus y square x dx. Yeah? We times dx on both sides. So we open here. And now we can, on the right hand side, we have y squared here. We have 1 plus y squared here. So we divided. So we divided 1 plus y squared on both sides, okay? So here we have 1 by 1 plus y squared dy equal to 2x dx, yeah? We divided 1 plus y squared on both sides. So here we have 1 by 1 plus y squared dy equal to 2x dx. So we antiderivative on both sides. So here is what? The antiderivative of 1 by 1 plus y squared dy equal to the antiderivative of 2x dx. Yeah? So the antiderivative of 1 by 1 plus y squared is what? Arc tangent y, yeah?
Yes.
So here is the arc tangent y. The right hand side, 2x antiderivative, x squared, yeah? So x squared plus the constant c. So this is the answer, okay? This is the answer. Now I will break 10 minutes.